My name is Dina Newman. I am the owner and founder of Organizing Concepts and Designs, aka OCD. We are a full-service organizing company, residential organizing, office organizing, relocations, estate sales, and clear-outs. We've been longtime members of the National Association of Professional Organizers. We adhere to their code of ethics and their code of conduct. We continue to stay educated on the most current organizing solutions. We constantly are growing. We are now a team of 12 people that work together, helping you achieve a sense of calm, peace in your home, in your office. One of the things that I like my clients to know is that I am both insured and bonded. Everybody on my team also is insured. One of the observations that I've made through my years of organizing is that there's no cookie cutter solution. Everybody's different. Every house is different. Everybody's needs are different. And we try to make sure that your goal is our goal. So I think questions I get from people is, why should I hire an organizer? And my answer is, just like you would hire a gardener to do your gardening or a pool man to clean your pool, no one really wants to go into a garage and tackle that by themselves. No one wants to go in and unpack an entire office and organize it by themselves. Clutter takes on a lot of forms. We're there. Do it for you. Do it with you. Help you get through it and get it done. One of the most amazing parts of my job is the finished result. I love seeing my clients' reaction to their new space. The first things that we do is we meet with our client, we meet with you, and we just sit and chat for a bit. Many people have difficulty bringing an organizer into their homes or offices. We go through the house and you show me around. There is no judgment. My job is to make you feel more comfortable. My clients feel so much relief. They feel such a sense of calm. An exciting part of our job is to leave our clients with not only an organized space, but a beautiful space. One of the reasons that Organizing Concepts and Designs is so unique in the vast world of professional organizing is that we take such a personal approach with our clients. We spend so much time with them. We form relationships with them, and we really do care. Our clients are so happy that they can just go to their new home and function as if they've lived there forever. They love that everything is done. It's all unpacked. Everything is put away. It's organized. It's accessible. It's home. If you or someone you know is in need of organizing, relocations or estate sales, give us a call.